Grill maker Weber out with earnings, all after a tumultuous few weeks that included several legal battles in the ouster of its CEO. And this was a challenging quarter for Weber. Now, they pre-announced this quarter a couple weeks ago, but I want to lock in on one key line item on their balance sheet. Yeah, it may be very boring, but nonetheless very important if you're looking to invest in this company. They ended this most recent quarter with only $40 million in cash ahead of the back half of the year. That is a major red flag, and perhaps not a surprise that they're flagging a new cost reduction plan and a cash conservation effort that they're hoping brings in $110 million in cash. But this company needs cash, and they need it quickly.
Yeah, I was looking at earlier, the company came public back in, it's the class of 2021, yes, as I keep pointing out. August 2021, $14 a share. The stock closed on Friday below $7 a share, so it has been halved. So again, you get into the discussion of what it has been grilled. You get into the discussion of what's been priced in. The company at its shareholder meeting approved a plan to get rid of its dividend or suspend its dividend. That's part of that cost reduction plan. But is that going to be enough to help it build up that cash position? I guess we'll see.
Yeah, two things here, and they're kind of correlated, because when we think about the number of consumers that had been looking to really upgrade that in-home experience or the backyard experience over the course of the pandemic when you were spending more time at home, pull forward so much of that demand right now, and almost to a point where it's so abnormal that you have a vacuum effect that has really impacted this grill replenishment rate, which we were talking with Simeon Siegel of BMO about last week, because this has impacted Traeger. Now you've got Traeger and Weber both saying that we're going to look across inventory and pull back on exactly where we're even producing grills, knowing that we've already served so much of the demand that's out there. And so why continue to add into the supply side?
I wish I could help these brands out. I just have a one-bedroom co-op. I can't have a grill in my place. I would love to buy a Traeger, maybe stick it in my kitchen, stick a Weber in my living room, really try the smoke pellets and the barbecue grill type variety. But look, and these are declines across the board. I mean, sales down 21% down in the U.S., down in Europe 24%, Asia Pacific down 5%. Yeah. I mean, these are stunning declines for really two category leaders. It's not just Weber. I mean, it's Traeger too. I mean, these are the main players in this industry, really just likely seeing declines, not just for this quarter, perhaps well into next year.
Yeah, it's because of the GRR. There's no grill replenishment rate.
I like that, the GRR.
The GRR, the grill replenishment. I mean, listen, I've got a backyard, but I already have a grill.
What type of grill do you have? Is it a pellet?
It was the prior owners left it there.
Well, now you need a new grill.
They're going to be on sale.
It's a gas grill. I have a gas grill.
I see you as a Traeger person. Wood pellets.
Well, so the smoker grill combination, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
And you control it with your phone. You control it with your phone.
Sure. Yeah. At some point.
We're selling her hard.
Not anytime soon. But we'll talk about
We'll take it offline.
We'll talk about that later.
Take it offline.
How much does that flow through as well to Home Depot and even?
We're about to find out this week. It could be pretty bad.